If your hands keep hurting from using a regular screwdriver, then there's a better option. And no, I'm not talking about buying an expensive drill, but something even better and more compact like a cordless screwdriver. But with so many different models in the market, it can be hard to choose the right one. That is why, in this video, I have brought to you the 6 best cordless screwdrivers. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Ryobi Cordless Screwdriver. It's the best budget cordless screwdriver on our list. It's a versatile tool designed to make your DIY tasks easier and more efficient. With its compact size and lightweight design, this power screwdriver is easy to maneuver in tight spaces and overhead, reducing user fatigue during extended use. It's equipped with a lithium-ion battery and delivers consistent power and longer runtime compared to traditional NiCad batteries. The battery also holds its charge when not in use, ensuring it's ready to go whenever you need it. Whether you're assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or tackling small repair jobs, this power screwdriver is suitable for a variety of tasks around the home or workshop. It also offers micro USB charging for on-the-go convenience and features a comfortable grip and an easy-to-use forward and reverse switch, allowing for precise control and efficient operation. However, the maximum speed of this screwdriver is 200 RPM, which might not be suitable for heavy-duty tasks that require more power. Overall, the Ryobi cordless screwdriver combines convenience, performance, and versatility for your DIY projects. Number 5 is the Craftsman cordless screwdriver. It's the most compact screwdriver on our list. It's a handy tool designed to simplify your DIY projects and household tasks. This screwdriver operates cordlessly, providing freedom of movement without the hassle of tangled cords or limited reach. It's powered by a 4-volt battery, offering sufficient power for various applications. With its compact size and lightweight design, this screwdriver is easy to carry around and store. It's ideal for use in tight spaces or for on-the-go projects. The Craftsman drive screws up to 4 times faster with 300 RPM for high-speed driving. Plus, with a rechargeable integrated 4-volt max lithium-ion battery and micro USB charging port with a USB cable, it's ideal for free-running or mechanical screw-driving tasks. The 8-piece set includes essential screwdriver bits, enabling you to tackle a wide range of screwdriving tasks. Whether you're assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or performing repairs, this set has you covered. The simple push-button operation makes it easy to use, even for beginners. You can quickly switch between forward and reverse modes to drive or remove screws efficiently. It features simple push-button operation with quick change-locking collet to hold bits securely, and also includes a 3-stage battery charge indication to prevent unexpected interruptions. This screwdriver is crafted with quality materials and built to withstand regular use, providing long-lasting performance. It's a reliable tool that you can count on for your projects around the home or workshop. Overall, the Craftsman cordless screwdriver is generally well received by users for its convenience, versatility, and reliability for all your screwdriving needs. Number 4 is the DeWalt Gyroscopic Inline Screwdriver. It's the best gyroscopic cordless screwdriver on our list. This innovative tool is designed to make screwdriving tasks easier and more efficient. Equipped with a motion-activated variable speed of 430 RPM, this screwdriver allows you to intuitively control the speed and direction of the driver with just a twist of your wrist. The gyroscopic sensor detects your hand movements, providing precise and responsive control. It offers excellent mobility and flexibility, allowing you to work in various locations without being tethered to a power outlet. This enhances productivity and makes it suitable for both professional and DIY use. The screwdriver comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, providing long-lasting power and eliminating the need for disposable batteries. It offers the convenience of recharging whenever necessary, ensuring uninterrupted use. Plus, it provides illumination in confined areas without shadowing for added ease. With its compact size and lightweight design, the DeWalt 8-volt cordless screwdriver is easy to handle and maneuver, even in tight spaces. This makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from assembling furniture to installing fixtures and more. Whether you're driving screws into wood, plastic, or metal, this screwdriver delivers consistent performance and reliable results. It's a versatile tool that can handle various screw-driving tasks with ease. Overall, the DeWalt screwdriver is perfect for heavy-duty work and great for screws, nuts, and bolts. And if you want to know the latest prices of the cordless screwdriver discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Hoto electric screwdriver. It's a versatile and convenient tool designed to simplify your screwdriving tasks. With a 3.6-volt rechargeable battery, this screwdriver offers cordless operation, providing you with the freedom to work anywhere without being restricted by power outlets or tangled cords. Equipped with a powerful motor and 220 RPM, this screwdriver delivers reliable and efficient performance, making it suitable for various screwdriving applications. The Hoto electric screwdriver set comes with a variety of accessories, including bits and attachments to tackle different screwdriving tasks effectively. This comprehensive set ensures that you have everything you need to get the job done efficiently. Featuring an ergonomic design and a comfortable grip, this screwdriver allows you to work for extended periods without experiencing fatigue. Plus, it comes with a circular LED light to illuminate dark work areas, improving visibility and precision. It's equipped with a high-capacity 1500 mAh battery that has undergone 37 battery-specific tests, ensuring long-lasting performance. When fully charged, it can drive over 1,000 screws. The device's power is supplied by a high-speed magnetic motor and a metallic gearbox, which together deliver robust and consistent power to the cordless screwdriver. The built-in circuit board of the electric screwdriver can sense and stop the rotation as soon as the button is released, leaving no scratch or dent on the screws, and it is helpful to avoid injuring users' fingers due to over-rotation. Plus, it also features a universal Type-C charging port, offering a convenient charging solution. Weighing just 0.55 pounds, it is designed for one-handed operation, thanks to its double-layered soft grip made from durable plastic and TPE rubber. It features screw-unscrew buttons for maneuverability. The screwdriver also comes with a 4-stage rotary knob and an integrated smart chip, allowing users to fine-tune the torque to suit a variety of requirements. The Hoto electric screwdriver is built to last, ensuring durability and longevity even with frequent use. The robust construction makes it a reliable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a home DIYer, this screwdriver set is suitable for a wide range of applications, from simple household repairs to more complex projects. Number 2 is the BLACK+DECKER cordless screwdriver with pivoting handle. It's a versatile and user-friendly tool designed to make screwdriving tasks easier and more convenient. The ergonomic handle of this electric screwdriver pivots into 3 different positions, offering flexibility and ease of use in cramped or tight spaces. This feature ensures that you can access screws in various angles and positions comfortably. With cordless functionality, this screwdriver provides freedom of movement without any cords. This makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects, allowing you to work wherever needed without restrictions. The BLACK+DECKER screwdriver delivers reliable and efficient performance thanks to its powerful motor. Whether you're assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or completing DIY projects, this screwdriver offers the power and precision required for the task at hand. Equipped with a lithium battery, this screwdriver holds its charge for up to 18 months, ensuring that it's ready to use whenever you need it. This feature eliminates the hassle of frequent recharging, allowing you to focus on your projects with minimal interruptions. This screwdriver features a lightweight and ergonomic design that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Plus, the forward and reverse switch allows for easy screw driving and screw removal tasks. However, it doesn't have a battery indicator, which makes it difficult to know when the battery is getting low. Plus, though the screwdriver is powerful enough for most household tasks, it may not be suitable for larger jobs that require more torque. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER cordless screwdriver tackles most of your screwdriving tasks with ease and efficiency. Number 1 is the Milwaukee M4 Screwdriver. It's the most versatile screwdriver on our list and is an efficient tool designed to meet various screwdriving needs. With its compact design and lightweight construction, this screwdriver kit is easy to handle and maneuver, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its small size allows for easy access to tight spaces, ensuring versatility in various applications. Despite its small size, the Milwaukee M4 Screwdriver delivers impressive power and performance. The 4-volt motor provides sufficient torque to tackle a wide range of screwdriving tasks with ease and precision. Whether you're driving screws into wood, plastic, or metal, this screwdriver gets the job done efficiently. This screwdriver kit comes with 2 batteries, ensuring that you always have a backup power source ready when needed. The lithium-ion batteries offer long-lasting performance and can be recharged quickly, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity on the job site. It's equipped with a 1/4-inch hex chuck and allows for easy and quick bit changes, saving time and effort during operation. Plus, its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use and enhancing overall user experience. Whether you're working on construction projects, assembling furniture, or performing household repairs, the Milwaukee M4 Screwdriver Kit is a versatile tool that offers reliable performance in various screwdriving applications. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect cordless screwdriver much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.